Hi everyone, I know it's been a while. School started already, but I am done working for today. So I am going to bake something. I have made a banana bread and you can see the video. It is very good and very easy. But today I am going to make double chocolate banana bread. So it's not just a plain banana bread. My husband normally doesn't like banana bread that mixed with chocolate because he doesn't like to taste the combination of the banana and the chocolate. But you know what? He really loves this double chocolate banana bread that I make because although I put 3 bananas into this bread, but you do not really taste the banana. You mostly taste the chocolate. So it is very yummy, very moist, but it is very easy to make. You do not even need a mixer to make this double chocolate banana bread. Alright, so to make this double chocolate banana bread, the ingredients are pretty basic. They are, of course, bananas, okay? We are using 3 bananas. It's supposed to be a very ripe bananas, but I only have 2 very ripe and then 1 is not too ripe. But this is all I have, so I'm gonna use them the way they are. And then 2 eggs, large eggs, oil, I'm using canola oil, salt, vanilla extract, baking soda, cocoa powder, and chocolate chips. Okay, so there are 2 kinds of cocoa powder. One is the natural cocoa powder and the other one is Dutch process. What are the difference? The difference are the color. Okay, the Dutch process has more deep brown color compared to the natural one, and also the flavor. Okay, the Dutch process has flatter flavor compared to the natural one. The natural one has more like fruitier flavor compared to the Dutch process. Okay, so which one you're gonna use? It depends of what kind of base you are using. Okay, I am using baking soda, okay, to rise the banana bread. So if you are using baking soda, then you're gonna need the natural cocoa powder because the natural cocoa powder is more acidic than the Dutch process. So it reacts better with the baking soda. While Dutch processed cocoa powder, it works better with baking powder normally. Alright, so I'm going to use the natural cocoa powder and the chocolate chips. Feel free to use whatever chocolate chips you have. I normally use bittersweet chocolate chips. That's my oven. I preheat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so I normally use the bittersweet chocolate chips. This is the special dark. It's similar to bittersweet actually, but I'm not sure if this is going to be enough. I need 1 cup. Okay, if it's not enough, if it's not 1 cup, then I'm going to mix with the semi-sweet. Alright, so let's start by preparing the wet ingredient. So I forgot to tell you, this loaf pan, this is 9 by 5 inch, and I already lined it with parchment paper. So first, the wet ingredients. I'm going to mash the 3 bananas. Okay, now I'm gonna mix in the brown sugar. Oh, I forgot to tell you, of course we need flour, right? So I'm using all-purpose flour and also sugar, brown sugar. Okay, so 3/4 cup of brown sugar. You can use less if you want to, if you do not want it sweet or too sweet. but I think 3/4 was good enough. It's not too sweet to me. All right, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs. I'm gonna break the eggs first into a different bowl and whisk it a little bit. Add it into the mixing bowl together with other ingredients. And half cup of oil. Feel free to use butter if that's what you want, but oil makes the bread more moist for a longer time. Okay, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to mix this together. Okay, you want to mix it until you do not see the lumps from the brown sugar anymore. Now we are done preparing the wet ingredients. I'm going to prepare the dry ingredients. Set it aside. Now, we want to sift the dry ingredients together, okay? You have to sift it because we do not want the lumps from the cocoa powder, okay? We're using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and half cup of the cocoa powder. Okay. Half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of salt. Okay, you see? You need to shift this dry ingredients together because the cocoa powder comes with lumps. Alright, so now I'm going to mix in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredient. And remember, you do not want to overmix, okay? Let's put a little bit first, then mix it. Okay, just mix until combined. Okay, and then now the chocolate chips. So we need 1 cup. Let's see if this is 1 cup. So this is a little less than 1 cup, so I'm gonna add the semi-sweet. So mix it with the semi-sweet. Okay, so you just want to fold in a 3/4 cup of these chocolate chips, okay, into the batter. And you leave a 1/4 cup to sprinkle on top of the batter later, okay? That's it, very easy, right? Remember, you do not want to overmix. So I just need to transfer the batter into the loaf pan. Okay. So like I said earlier, now I'm going to sprinkle the rest of the chocolate chips on top of the batter. Of course, this is optional, okay? You can just fold in all 1 cup of these chocolate chips together with the batter, or you can do what I'm doing. Okay, only using 3/4 cup in the batter and then sprinkle the 1/4 cup. Okay? Now I just need to bake this for 55 to 60 minutes. I'm going to bake it for 55 minutes first at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright? Alright, so I baked this for 55 minutes. I'm gonna check now. Okay, my toothpick comes out clean, so it is done baking. I'm going to let it sit in the pan until it comes to room temperature, okay? Until it cools off completely. Okay. Ta-da! I can smell the chocolate. It smells so yummy. Alright, here it is. My double chocolate banana bread. Alright, if you want your bread to look taller, then you're gonna need to use a smaller size of loaf pan. Okay? So it's time to try this. The end piece always belong to my husband. And the second piece is always mine. Cannot waste any chocolate chips. Okay. I can tell already by cutting the slice, it is very moist. This is super yummy. Very moist. You can taste the chocolate. Very little, very little taste of banana, of course, because I used 3 bananas and 2 of them are very ripe, right? But you can definitely taste the chocolate, so chocolatey. If you like chocolate, I promise you will love this bread. So if you have kids that kind of picky with the flavor, you probably want to make this double chocolate banana bread because it tastes so chocolatey, but you still have the benefits from adding the banana into this bread. I hope you enjoy and make this super delicious double chocolate banana bread. See you next time.